Coco Martin honors Julia Montes as his guide and heaven-sent partner. Kapamilya primetime king Coco Martin highly praised his longtime partner, actress Julia Montes, calling her hulog ng langit who significantly shaped his personal life and career. Coco and Julia started as on-screen partners. For many years, rumors had been circulating about the status of their relationship, but it was just in 2023 that they openly confirmed it. In an exclusive video by CCM Film Productions, based on the article in ABS-CBN Entertainment, the actor shared insights into how Montes has deeply influenced his growth over the years. Napakarami nang naitulong niya sa akin, lalo na sa growth ko, sa personalidad ko, sa mga pananaw ko sa buhay. Ngayon natutuwa ako kasi sabi ko nga medyo matagal na rin kami, halos 15 years, hindi ba? Pero habang tumatagal, mas lumalalim yung pagmamahalan, yung understanding, yung respeto, he said. Coco added that this was even highlighted when he entered the more serious side of their world, such as being a director, creator, writer, and producer. He said that honestly it wasn't easy, but the best part is that they can really feel each other's support, cooperation, and love. The actor also said that in this kind of work, the pressure could easily make them give up, either on the job itself or on their relationship. Kaya nga yung mo kanina, siya ba yung bigay ng langit sa akin? Hindi magiging ganito ang direksyon ng buhay ko kung hindi dahil kay Julia. Kasi siya yung naging daan, siya yung naging guide ko, Coco Martin said.